Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're tired of stepping in pools of water or on soggy bath mats, you gotta try out this diatomaceous stone bath mat. This is by NNZQNNE. Look how quickly they dry. It's so remarkable. I've never seen anything like it in my life. I've been dreaming of trying these for a while, and they definitely are impressive. This is very generous. It comes in a pack of two with two anti-skid pads that are included, and it also has a sandpaper to use if you want to get out any stains. However, it is super easy to clean, just a quick rinse, and they look beautiful. They're easy to stay looking new, they're dirt resistant. This is also very convenient for me on my counter where dishes, if I have a few dishes or water pools up on the table counter right next to me, it helps absorb that quickly. It's really nice because it's a modern look. It looks like a classic stone, and it has a very pretty kind of wave design that makes it look unique and classy. So if you want to have a high functioning house, I feel like this has really helped me to be able to utilize my bathroom kitchen areas, but kind of fight that wet, humid, and water buildup in those areas. I like the way that this looks. I think it's easy to take care of, and I love that it's a quality product.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.